Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port board on the Motorola Moto GPO mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charger port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the car pry tool and gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Next, hold the fingerprint button and gently pull out the back cover from the body. Next, take out the board frame by undoing 11 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the speaker cover by undoing 8 screws. Next, disconnect the main connector plug and antenna head from the charging port board. Next, pull out the not working charging port board by undoing the screw. Next, place the new charging port board on the body. Next, secure the screw and connect the main flex and antenna head to the charging port board. Next, secure the speaker cover by adding 8 screws. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, place the board frame by adding 11 screws. Finally, snap in the back cover and run through the sides to secure the clips. Make sure the fingerprint button is secured. And also add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.